Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. I'm Isaac, and today we are on. Let me just make sure we're good. Okay. Today, it's kind of tricky today. Just to give you guys some insight, what I'm looking at. So yesterday, we were looking at sales from this level right here at open, and give me a quick second, actually. Yo. Nah, no news for the US dollar today, like on Forex Factory or whatever. All right. So, yesterday we were looking for sales from this level, thinking it could push down because it had rejected this area. Took a $3 gain here, $60 loss here, then a 240 or $60 loss here, right, after it pushed back up into our zone. But looking at it, you could just see the strength of that candle. It looked like it had to push up a little bit more, so that's a lesson learned, right? Just the strength of this candle, it would be hard to reverse that and just come down. So price moved up to the next major ILC, right? The last ILC. So just about 90%. Excuse me, was able to catch a couple trades here. Jumped out way too early out of this one. Terrible risk reward ratio on these. And missed, I caught 61. It wasn't even 61, it was like 56. 56 of the 350 potential pips. But I was able to jump in and catch like 158. You could go ahead and check that out. But one thing that I noticed, it rejected the ILC here, or TP1, right? Then we thought it could possibly come down here to the support level, but it didn't. So now what I'm looking at is I see somewhat of a trend line growing right here, right? And I think price could still come down with everything that's going on in Russia. The only thing I'm worried about is it seems like we're kind of on a uptrend, right? I mean, it could fall off. I think it could just probably fall off, but I think maybe if it does, it's going to push back up to this zone here and then fall off. But the way it's moving up, it looks like, when Joe Biden put the sanctions on Russia, that kind of just pushed everything back up. And ever since then, price is kind of, moving up to the upside. So what I've seen here is, this ILC that we were looking to sell off from, rejection, right? Support, a little bit of support in there, right? Support, rejection, rejection, a little bit of rejection here, rejection, rejection, support, support, right? Support. So this area is kind of turned into like a strong supply and demand area, right? There's a lot of liquidity in the zone. With the 15-minute 50 EMA, I can possibly see, because you can see it's kind of creating a higher high, higher low, lower high, higher low. It's a bunch of higher lows though, right? These might not be higher, but these lows are, right? Each low is basically higher than the last. So what I'm thinking is at open, we could see a possible retracement down to the 15-minute 50 EMA. There's also a couple taps, right? Rejections at this 50 EMA. Come down, smack it, re-enter, 30 pip stop loss, and take this up to the upside here. Now, if price pushes up, in the next 12 minutes up to this level first, then I'd probably be looking for sells, right? Because I like the risk to reward ratio on this, because I don't think price could come up above here. And if it does, then we're looking at a break of structure to the upside. So I'd be looking at a trade like this. So this is my first bias, is price comes down, retest this 50 EMA on the 15-minute chart. This is actually the 1 hour 50 EMA down here. So I think it could possibly come down here too, but I don't want it to, because at that point, now it's breaking this low here, right? So if it comes all the way down here, then I think our trade is invalid, because now it could be coming down this way. So I think that's another possibility. I don't necessarily think price broke structure. Even here, I think maybe it was just a higher low, or lower low, lower high, right? Lower than this high. Higher low, and this is what's getting me, is the higher lows. So I think a lesson will be learned today. We're going to figure out exactly what happens on a downtrend with higher lows, right? We could see the trend forming right here, and we could even, if we zoom out a little bit, We could see it's pushing something like this, right? Something like that. So we kind of see exactly what's happening. So I think it could fall off. You know what I mean? I think it could. Maybe it comes up, taps this again, and then falls off. So I think it's a possibility. But we'll see. We'll see what the market gives us. You know, it's just a matter of really, it's just a matter of what's going to happen at this point. You know what I mean? So let's just see. Let's see what the market gives us. It looks like it's coming down now. We got about 9 minutes till open. Um, let's go down to the 1 minute chart. Hold on. So we definitely see something like that. Yeah, fully engulfed right there. Let's see something right here. Kind of like this. Kind of like that, you know. Kind of makes me a little bit more confident, even though it's probably just on the 1 minute. Oh, actually, maybe not. Oh yeah, it is. It's just on the 1 minute, but it kind of goes with what I'm trying to, where my buy is, right? Off of this level right here, stops just below the low. So we'll see what it gives us. I also see lower highs being created here. Excuse me. On this, so you know, let's see. Let's see what the market gives us. We got about 8 minutes till open. So let's see. Well, we could kind of see what it's rejecting right here, right? I kind of feel like at this point, I just want to let this be known right here. This ILC is being rejected a bunch. Higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low. Damn. Well, let's see what the market gives us, right? Because now that I look at this, I mean, it could just be a higher high, higher low, lower high, higher, you know, it's kind of confusing, right? I don't want to put too much on my plate as well as your plate if you're taking a look. But what I see right here, I see a bunch of rejections right here. That's what I see. I see a bunch of rejections at this ILC right here. Rejection, rejection, rejection. Huh. Let's see what the market gives us, because maybe we take a buy here or a sell here. Whatever it gives us in the next, 4.5 minutes, it's kind of what we're taking. So we'll see. Let me take a look over here. Let's see, we ballin' on you fucking dummies. Scared money don't make no money. Yeah, when I look at the fifth, it's so hard to tell. But it does look like it's gonna come to our area for this buy setup. But I'm gonna gauge it, see how it's looking at this buy setup, see if it rejects the way I want it to reject, and then we take our buy strictly based off of that. You know what I mean? So let's see what it gives us. Yeah, it's definitely coming our way. So I think the buy setup is more ready to come. So I think it's coming into our play. I just want to make sure that when it does come down that I'm not going to take the trade automatically as soon as it jumps in, but I do want to see the reaction it gives. I mean, if we just see a quick reaction, then we know those are usually the best trades, right? Those are the trades that usually hit for us. So let your nuts hang. Let's see. Scare money don't make no money. See what it does. I mean, it would have to pass this level too. So what we're doing is we're asking price to come down into our zone. We're going to put our buy in. Now this isn't a strong confirmation, but it's an area that will need to be respected, right? So let's see. Yeah, I don't know if I take the buy from there, but it does look like it's pushing up from there. Damn. So yeah, does look like it would have been a buy. Yeah, it looks like it's getting up there. There it goes. So I'm in there. You see how this area is getting rejected? Yeah, I like to sell if it continues to reject the zone. Okay. Let's see if it can keep this. Sorry, I'm in on a sell right now. I am in at, there was too many rejections right here. But let's see if it could continue down. It might just reject off of our level that we're looking to buy from, right? But I like that rejection. Let's see if it can break through the 15-minute 50 EMA now. I'm in on a sell. All right, here. You see how it's rejecting our area right there? We don't want it to do that, right? That's exactly where we want to buy from. We don't want it to reject that. We're in the sell. Damn. No, it's rejecting the shit out of that. Buy right off the 15-minute. Shit. I mean, look at the rejection. That's a clean motherfucking rejection, right? Right out of our zone. Wow. Well, I got out of the trade. I was able to make about 124 on it. But I'm honestly not too sure what price is doing right here. Still rejecting the 20 EMA, right? 15-minute is so indecisive right now, which I'm sure the 5-minute is as well. But it's pushing up. You see that? Still rejecting the 20 and the 50, but it has a lot of strength behind it. So I caught about, I'm not even sure how many pips I caught, but I was able to catch a few, maybe 120. I mean, fuck, it's already up 40 pips from that zone. Motherfucker. It's looking like a sell-off area, though. You see the rejections, right? How it keeps coming down. 24 seconds left. Yeah, I'm going to wait for it to get up into this area again. And if it does, we'll see how much strength it has behind it. And then from there, we probably can take a sell here because we've already seen multiple rejections from this zone, right? Including one a couple minutes ago, 5 minutes ago. And you can see it's kind of rejecting still here. 2 seconds. Looks like it could make it up here, possibly up here. Look at that. Let's see if I just put in another sell. That's too much of it engulfed everything, right? No way. It's using that level as this level as a support level, right? Man, I think price is possibly just playing everybody right now. You're either getting in too late or too early, right? I'm in at 13,990. I'm gonna put my stop loss to break even. I only have a 0.03 in there. Um, we'll see what it gives us. Let's see if it can stay below here now. Uh, I'm up about 10 pips, 15 pips, 10 pips. It's not breaking through. You see how it's using this level as a support level. It's not necessarily breaking through. We still have 23 seconds, so it could still come all the way up like it is. Fuck. Man, if this thing goes all the way up past here, I'm going to be pissed. Which it looks like it's doing, right? But let's see if it just rejects it and comes down. Just like that. Hopefully it can stay that way. There's still 6 seconds, but we want it to turn bearish and come down. I don't want it to look bullish. I want to keep the rejections down. Yeah, I didn't. Fuck. Yeah. Yeah. My bias is off, but let's see. I'm gonna jump in on a buy as soon as it gives me the opportunity. I'm in there. All right. We're in here. Whole lot of bullshit. Playing people. Right? Way too much bullshit playing people. If it rejects, I'm moving my stops to break even. I'm in at about, see where the fuck this thing goes now. I'm in down here actually. I'm up about 50 pips, 55 pips. Man, if this shit comes back up, then I'm done for the day. I mean, it doesn't really have no direction, right? All it's doing is up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So, at this point, it's either it goes my way or it doesn't. Wow. Come on, man. Just get the fuck down there. We're up about 45 pips. A lot of rejections at this area. Let's see if we can finish bearish, though. Just keep coming down. Oh my gosh. Doesn't look like it wants to, truthfully. But let's see. Wow. Still rejecting it. Rejected the 1 hour and the 30-minute. Let's see if it can break through that. Wow, no fucking way. Right off of the 1 hour. That would be wild. That would be wild. I ain't going, no way. Has to use these areas as rejections now. Or as resistance now. So my original bias was correct. Well, not my original. No fucking way is this shit flying up like that. Finished like that too. Damn. My original bias was a buy off of this level, which it came up, rejected this zone, came down, was able to make some money. Put a buy in up here, lost some money. Then I put a sell in, which we're in right now. And I mean, I think I'm going to stay away because look at what price is doing right here. It's essentially like I'm in the trade still, but if it pushes up, then that's it. You know what I mean? It has to use this 15-minute 50 EMA as a resistance level. If it doesn't, along with this, because if it doesn't, then it looks like it's just going to continue up, right? Yeah, it's still rejecting this shit, but let's see. Looks good to continue down in our direction. If it could stay down. No way. Wow. Yeah, this shit looks like it wants to go up. A lot of rejections. Let's see. Wow. Still too early in the candle. This thing can push up on us. You know, at this point. We'll see. There's still 30 seconds left in the candle. 35 seconds left in the candle. So let's see what it does for us, right? Hopefully it comes down these last 25 seconds and moves in our direction. If not, it's going to push up and take us out of our trade, and I'll be done for the day. Wow. Yeah, it looks like it's going to go up. Let's see. I got my stop loss right above here now. Still 30 seconds, so price could still push up, but let's see if it can move in our direction, push down to the downside. We could catch some real pips now, right? We're up about 46, but I want to recover my losses from this buy that I had in. So let's see if we could get it. Wow. No. I don't like it. Oh, there it goes. I'm moving, I added another position. I'm moving that shit to break even. Let's see what happens from here. We're almost at our target. We'll be done for the day. All right. I pulled out most of my trade. I have a 0.02 runner now. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for price to break through this area to this next one. So you can see how price rejected it. It's just the zone. But I like it because we broke through the 1 hour 50 EMA. Now we got to use it as support, right? So after we use it as support, now we can look at this area as, or look at this area as a resistance level and possibly see it push down from here. So we're in there. Got our original position, right, that we're still in. And we still have our second position that we added, which we're in like right here. My stop loss was, well, both of my stop losses were just below there. And I'm looking for it to go down about right here. So let's see. This position isn't at break even though, so remember that. We are now at break even. So we hit the 27%. Let's see if we could go down to the 68%. That'll be the next target. Let's see if we can hit it. Man, still rejecting it, but it looks like it still wants to come down. So we'll see what happens. I'm finally in profit now. I closed my trade. So now what I'm looking to do, I closed my top position to put me into to blue, and now I have about $180 running right now, floating. Let's see. You can see why I like to set up my levels and have everything where they're at, because of this exact reason right here. So we hit our first target at 27%. Now we're looking to go to 61.8, and we're done for the day. So we've been trading about 53 minutes and took some losses up there. You can see the bullshit that happened up there. Was able to finally get in on the sell, and yeah, let's see what it does now. See if we could get to our target. And we're done for the day. So we've been trading about 53 minutes and took some losses up. All right, so took some bullshit losses up there. You can see what price did, right? Took a sell, made some money, took a buy off of this level, lost some money after it came back down. I think I took it off of here, lost some money when it came back down, and now took a sell after it rejected this zone again, right? We're pulled most of that position, and then I entered another position here just so we could get back over that break-even mark, and now we're in profit. So let's see, headed to 61.8. You can see what price did, right? Took a sell, made some money, took a buy off of this level, lost some money after it came back down. I think I took it off of here, lost some money when it came back down. Took some bullshit losses up there. You can see what price did, right? Took a sell, made some money, took a buy off of this level, lost some money after it came back down. I think I took it off of here, and now took a sell after it rejected this zone again, right? Which pulled most of that position, and then I entered another position here just so we could get back over that break-even mark, and now we're in profit. So let's see, headed to 61. And now took a sell after it rejected this zone.
Feature or any.
Let's see here.
We're excited about is like you're gonna realize I think how long people be able to put it together. We've been grinding for a long time and put together from that music video era to creative control to all our docs. People don't realize we're the same person doing all this. But even through all that, all the stuff that didn't make it, all the stuff we have in development, like finally we can start to realize that stuff. You know what I mean? So
Yeah, no,
it's the beginning for us.
It's gonna be exciting. I'm gonna have a fun time watching and cheering on.
Damn, shit's moving back up. This is a big resistance to support area. Let me show you why. Because price is now broken structure to the downside, right? But look at this ILC right here. This is an ILC, right? A 15-minute ILC. We have somewhat of a push up. I really think it could come down here, truthfully, but it's rejecting big, right? Rejecting back out of it. So let's see what happens, man. All right. Let's see if it stays our route. Man, I really don't like it. I gotta kind of end my day pretty soon, so let's see. If it goes past here, I'm gonna have my stop loss just above these wicks right here. If it goes past, we get stopped out. We're already in profit for the day. We don't need to get too greedy. We had a good day yesterday. So, if I get stopped out, I should make about 180 on the day. So we'll see right now. There you go. Should come down from here. Should go in our way. Let's go. All right. Aight. That's it. Take profit was hit, and now we are done for the day. Let's fucking go, man. Hit about 101, 124 pips. Take profit was hit, 61.8%. Now we're done for the day. That was about 31 minutes of trading. Let's go. Hello?
Hey, Daddy.
Hi, baby.
Where are you?
I'm over here.
Where?
Over there.
Where?
Over there.
Where you left?
You don't see me?
Now tell me a room. Get me a room. Okay, what room are you in?
I had two biases. Short and... Well, you know what? I think I'm still recording. Let me turn that off before we're all up in the mix.
Good morning, Daddy.
I had two biases, short, long.
Good morning, Daddy.
Good morning, baby.
Daddy, I did not like my dream last night.
No?
You know why? You know why, Daddy? It's because I dream about you and me, and you were with my brother, and some random guy came in and blocked away, and I was lost, and you tried to get me to follow you, but instead I got lost and couldn't find you. It was dark.
Daddy will never leave you, okay?
Okay, but that man in my dream was blocking my way.
No, it's okay. Guess what? It's only a dream. You know what that means, right? You gotta overcome your fears. Maybe that man was just your fears. The representation of your fears. Can't be scared, okay?
Okay.
Gotta be brave.
And then I cried, but instead I saw Theo. And
Uh-oh. Your throat hurt? Hey,
I see Theo in
you're gonna
my
have to check to see if you have a fever.
I have Theo in my dream. I saw Theo in my dream. But I feel like they were making fun of me. But Theo wasn't. He was just laughing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're fine, baby. It's just a bad dream, okay?
Okay, and then I found you back. Daddy, did Nipsey Hussle make this?
No, an artist did.
He's
Is
good.
your brother awake?
Yeah.
Okay, we gotta eat. We gotta go to school. And make sure you turn in your homework today too, okay? Bless you.
You know I got it. I saw it in one movie. I took out one movie yesterday.
Yeah.
I think the movies are the ones that are stopping me.
Hello, my name is Romy. Come on, please. Look at me, look again. I'm gonna score. No, this way, my turn now. I scored. Yeah, but the ball didn't. Ouch! My butt. Oh no, the tire fell down. We could hang it back up, but I'm sorry to play garbage. After all, what else can we do with a tire?
Scared money don't make no money. Scared money don't make no money. We ballin' on you them dummies. Woo! Say hi, sister. All right, so what do you want for breakfast?
What?
What do you want for breakfast? I don't think we should have waffles today. We're eating too much. You want oatmeal? Peanut butter? Oh, and then I'll give you one of the sweets, okay? My life is all I have.
Next, maybe another time. Eagle, I see that you have one tire there. You could test
Hey, hey.
Magnets stick to metal objects. Wow, that sounds fun. I'll use the magnet to attract Granny's treat ball. So much easier than going to get it. Coming.
So often. I love you too. I love you too. Are you sick, baby?
Sure, it'll be more fun over here. Lambo, you're attracting all the metal objects from inside the museum.
She's gonna drink water. We're gonna try that. Let's look at a cup of water. It's on the counter. It's right there on the counter.
Okay, that's it. This magnet is not game material. Can I get a watch?
No, that one.
Oh, yeah.
Rinse it, pour out the water and give yourself a new one.
I'd like to call it the thing in the middle of a painting. That ain't not sure which one to speak. Let's keep your friends at home.
Why don't you try this one?
Let's try it. It's a true masterpiece. All thanks to your magnet. How can I thank you?
Where's the cat's lab? Can you give us something to play with?
I've got just the thing for you. My bicycle song.
But is it fun to play with a bicycle phone?
Of course it is below. You can use it to inflate objects.
Wow, that does sound like fun.
My life is all I have.
Everyone ready to work something
My
out?
life is my head. I made up the struggle on journey.
Didn't get any bigger. This isn't much fun either. Might trade it for a toy. That's what we have to have. He's got lots of funny videos.
Hello, puppycats.
Hi, Cosmo. What are you doing?
I'm preparing for my next space mission. This time I'll reach the moon with my rocket.
I'm rooting for you, Cosmo.
But I have to find a way to start the rocket.
Cosmo, why not you charge up the engine?
Shut up, Ashito.
That's a fantastic idea.
Hi, Silas. What's up, boo? What's up? What's up? Hi. What's up?
Thanks, puppycats. How can I ever repay you?
Cosmo, can you give us something to play with?
Sure. Here are my rocket
Huh?
springs. You can bounce on them.
Just sitting there on the toilet?
Thanks, Cosmo. That looks fun.
Here's your oatmeal's right here.
Find the rocket springs.
Huh?
Those cat treats.
Oh no. This bracelet just
Give yourself some water.
on me.
Hey, Ambrosia. What's up?
Oh, hi, lady.
Probably stick your children in his always.
My
Love, merge, that shit. Real, man. I was like, that nigga cut from the first song. Yeah. That's your
These
CEO.
rocket springs aren't fun at all.
rocket. Springs?
Yep.
And what about you, Ambrose? Super chic.
Huh?
Thanks, Puppy Cats. Now, what can I do for you?
Let's make a casserole. Can you give us something to play with?
Good job.
A scarf?
Where is
Eat
the
it.
stuff?
Eat it.
Try it.
Daddy, but I wasn't. Was I born less sunny or more sun?
Wait, what?
Was I born less sunny or more sun?
Shit.
Hello, Puppy Cats. Want to see my washing machine go? I just repaired it.
The glass door is so dirty, Rich. How can you even tell if it's working?
Well, you're right, Apple. Unfortunately, I don't know how to clean it.
If you want, you can use the start.
Okay, my lady, let's try it.
You're okay, Fluffy.
It worked perfectly. And now I can see it works. How can I ever thank you?
Rich, can you give us something to play with?
I got what you need, Puppy Cats. A beautiful tire. So what's wrong? It's brand new.
That's not the problem, Wrench. We started playing cat swap because we already had a tire. And we wanted to trade it for a game.
With a little imagination, anything can be used for a game. Even a tire.
Wrench is right, puppy cats. We just need the right fucking brainstorm.
Don't worry. It just happens when it does a super spin cycle.
Maybe you should turn it off, Wrench.
The problem is, I forgot the fix me off switch. My washing machine.
I don't know what I fix this shit now.
Leave it to me.
A super awesome move.
Look how a tire is spinning. It looks like a spinning top. A spinning top. I'm gonna fucking brainstorm. Rich, what do you say? Will that work?
Sure it will, my lady. I'll get right on it.
Mercury Twister is the fastest game ever. I could play it for hours and hours. And we made it with nothing but a
Here, buddy. Let me see your forehead.
Okay, great. Now get me down, please.
99.3, babe.
I can't go to school today. Three cats and a kitten.
And we like eating burgers. What are you talking about? Loogies are boogers.
I don't like them.
Pick it up.
No.
Here. Well, yes, we just see you eating them the other day.
I don't even want. I don't even want.
Go eat your food. Yeah, babe, her loogie is all yellow. Alexa, what does sovereign mean?
The adjective somber is usually defined as gloomy dark.
Alexa, what does sovereign mean?
As a noun, sovereign is usually defined as a monarch, a king, queen, or other supreme ruler. As an adjective, sovereign is usually defined as belonging to a characteristic of a sovereign or sovereign authority.
I put it in there.
Loyal.
I just
For
mixed it
more,
in good.
ask me to give you more definitions for sovereign.
I like it when it's all soft back.
Hope isn't sleepy or hungry. That can only mean one thing. Time to change a diaper. Are you sure, lady? Everybody knows that's super dangerous. Don't worry. I know what to do. Puppycats, let's get this diaper operation started. See? It wasn't so dangerous. All you have to do is handle the diaper carefully. What a terrible smell!
My kitty sitter friend, I've got no more ideas.
I know who can lend us a thought. Mimi, the pediatrician cat. She always knows what to do with little ones.
Looking after a kitten like Hope is easier than you can imagine, puppy cats.
Are you serious, Mimi?
Of course, Meatball. All you have to do is give Hope a game that keeps her busy. Look, Hope. With this spoon, you have to take the mousey to his little house. It's your turn now, Hope. It's my pleasure, Helio. But I must go now.
Lady, you! I'm really hungry for spaghetti and meatballs.
Meatball, this means danger.
Ah,
Oh no! She's Mimi's
ah.
We have to save her! But first, we need a boost of energy from Granny Tina's noodles!
The secret's in the noodles of Granny Tina. Afraid of superpower, I stretch your enemy. You eat them hot, it's sweet and good. Look up you go, talent, stop your feeling blue. Because afraid of
And at the top of a lot of these trays. So what is the problem here?
Don't cry, Mimi. This is Scribbly. I have a tummy ache.
Don't worry, Scribbly. I'll be with you in just a minute.
Come over here, folks. Time to use my special cat treat repetition line. It never misses a shot. I'm here, Scribbly.
I am very pleased to present to you my latest masterpiece entitled An Ice Cream Ow!
Don't hit me. You hit me.
the ball inside that box. But the box is at our house. Oh no! Here we go again. Charlie the cat. It's been a pleasant rehearsal, Buffy Cats. We're ready for the cat show. Yeah, Napa. Now we just need someone to present the show. A house cat. Well, maybe I'm not the cat for the job. So, how can we find one?
You're about to witness an awesome show! Just for you, today, directly from their world tour, the Boom Boom Steppers!
That house cat is just what we need.
Anyone in the audience want to dance? Here's a volunteer! Thank you all, ladies and gentlemen. The show is over, but keep it in your heart always.
Yeah, he's the cat we need. Let's ask him if he'd like to host the cat show.
Of course, my name is Charlie Cat, and I was born to be your host cat. What? No more words? Then let me hear some noise instead. Ready for a tongue twister? Me, 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 me.
Okay, Charlie the cat. All right.
Cat catchers can't catch caught cats because the cat catcher caught cats couldn't catch.
We think
332255.
Awesome! Where will your show take place?
right there on that stage. Charlie the cat. How about trying to host on stage?
Ooh!
Charlie the cat? You don't like our stage, Charlie the cat.
This stage
32!
Bless you.
Woo!
super awesome, people.
Bless you.
Thank you, baby.
Will be super.
Watch out, Charlie the cat.
32!
I'm sorry, Buffy Cat. I can't host the show.
But why? It's just a case of the hiccups. We saw you and you're really great.
The problem is, whenever I'm on stage, I get scared stiff and hiccups. And it's never gonna stop.
Let's get him, Buffy Cats.
Oh no.
Oh, my whiskers! With his hiccups, Charlie the cat is gonna make a big mess inside Granny Tina's house.
What's that sound? Is it coming from the phone? Really annoying. I'll handle this. I'll fix it in no time.
I can't stop it.
There's a way to stop your hiccups. Hold your breath. Then follow us. That's it. I also have to be a mother in this house.
Thanks, Buffy Cat. By holding my breath, my hiccups.
Hold your breath as long as you can. It didn't work. We have to find another way to stop his hiccups.
Charlie the cat, try drinking something. for crazy triple carbonated